Hi everyone, this is electrical lab in NYIT Old Westbury. I'm Liu Changshen with my partners Wang Renfeng and Wang Xiaoxiao. So our advisor is Dr. Edward Kelson. So our project is about remote control. It's a learning remote control. It can learn the remote control in your house, and then it sends signal just like that. So here is it. This is the remote you have, and then we will show you how it works. First of all, you can see the signal is nothing. But when we press the button on the remote control, just like that, and you will receive the signal. It's an NEC remote control, so there is being a remote protocol in that, but we can both send row code or the NEC protocol both. So here is the code we just sent, and we turn it into NEC protocol. So it's 32 bits in all. Then now we will turn this device into the stand mode, just like that. Hold this button and reset the project. Look, it has been turned into stand mode. When I press T in the keyboard, just like that, press enter. I will enter. These two things is nearable, so we can test it directly in this one. Press the button. There must be a signal received sender. Look, just like that. And in addition, in the future, we will put this Bluetooth instead of the keyboard to send the T button, so that you can use your Android smartphone to send the signal into the device through Bluetooth and control it to send the signal, and you can control the device which need a remote control in your house. That's it. Thank you.